Modern English School. Today we are going to start chapter number 6, metric measurements. In previous video you have done exercise 6.1, question number 3, change millimeter to meter and millimeter. Question number 4, change to kilometer to millimeter, and question number 5, change meter to kilometer using the decimal. Today we are going to start exercise 6.1, question number 6, addition and subtractions. Okay student, so let's start question number 6, exercise 6.1. Exercise 6.1, question number 6. Solve the following. Add or subtract. Add or subtract. Question number 6a. Look at here student. We will write, first of all we will write meter and millimeter. Meter, 12 meter, 405 millimeter. 12 meter, 405 millimeter. Next, 23 meter, 678 millimeter. Next then, 429 meter and 15 millimeter. Okay student. Now we will do addition. Okay. First, 5 plus 8. 5 plus 8 student, 13. 13 plus 5. 13 plus 5, 18. So we will write here 8 and carry over 1 to the next column. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. So we will write here 9. Now we will next addition. 4 plus 6. 4 plus 6, 10. So we will write here 0 and we will carry over 1 to the next column, meter, which is meter. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 9. 6 plus 9, 15. So we will write here 5 and carry over 1 to the next column. Then 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. So we will write here 6. Then 4. Write additive. So we get answer 465 meter and 98 millimeter. So our answer is 465 meter and 098 millimeter. 0 नहीं लिखेंगे तभी चलेगा, 98 millimeter. Okay student. Now we will do another sums. B. Meter, millimeter. Next, 40 meter, 249 millimeter. 40 meter, 249 millimeter. 11 meter, 681 millimeter. 35 meter, then 362 millimeter. Now we will do addition. Okay student, 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 2, 12. So we will write here 2 and carry over 1 to the next column. Now 4 plus 8. 4 plus 8 is 12 and 12 plus 6 is 18. 18 plus 1, 19. So we will write here 9 and we will carry our 1 to the next column. Okay. Now in next addition, there is 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 3, 8 plus 3, 11. 11 plus 1, 12. So we will write here 2 and carry our 1 to the next column. Then 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. So we will write here 7. Then 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 3, 8. So we will write here 8. We get answer 87 meter 292 millimeter. Okay students, our answer is 87 meter 292 millimeter. Okay student. Now we will do another sum. C. Meter and millimeter. Meter, millimeter. 17 meter, 194 millimeter, 11 meter, 285 millimeter, next 22 meter, then 176 millimeter. Now we will do addition. Okay student, so 4 plus 5. 4 plus 5, 9. 9 plus 6, 15. So we will write here 5 and carry over 1 to the next column. Okay, 9 plus 8. 9 plus 8, 17. Okay, or 17 plus 7. 17 plus 7 student. 17 plus 8, 7, 24 or 24 plus 1, 25. So we will write here 5 and carry over to the next column. Okay, 2 plus 1, 3. 2 plus 1, 3 and 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. So we will write here 6. Now we will do addition meter. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. So we will write here 0 and we will carry 1 to the next column. Okay, 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. So we will write here 5. So we get answer 50 meter 655 millimeter. Answer 50 meter 655 millimeter. Okay student, note down student. Have you written it student? Now we will do another sum. I. Kilometer, meter. Kilometer, meter. Okay. 14 kilometer 495 meter. 21 kilometer 768 meter. 62 kilometer 195 meter. Now we will do addition. First 5 plus 8. So 5 plus 8 student 13. 13 plus 5 18. So we will write here 8 and carry over 1 to the next column. 9 plus 1 10. 10 plus 6, 16. Yes, or 16 plus 9, 25. So we will write here 5 to next column, to the next column. Okay, then 4 plus 7 11, 11 plus 1 12, 12 plus 2 13. So we will write here 3 and carry over 1 to the next column. Next, 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 1 is 8. So we will write here 8. Next, 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 6 is 9. So we will write here 9. Okay student, so we get answer. Okay student, say 1, 8. Okay, sorry student, 4 here 49. Okay, 7 plus 4 11, 11 1 12, 12 carry 2 है, 1 नहीं है, इसलिए 40. ओके स्टूडेंट, तो अभी गेट आंसर 98 किलोमीटर 458 मीटर. आंसर इज 98 किलोमीटर 458 मीटर. Now we will go next from J. Kilometer, meter. 23 kilometer 241 meter. Next, 32 kilometer 610 meter. 12 kilometer 302 meter. Now we do addition. 2 plus 1 3 and 4 plus 1 is 5 and 2 plus 6 8. 8 plus 3 11. So we will write here 1 and carry over 1. Next column, 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 1 8. So we will write here 8. Then 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 1 6. So we get answer 68 kilometer 153 meter. Okay student, so we get answer 68 kilometer 153 meter. Okay student, next M. Kilometer and meter. Okay, so 2 kilometer 280, 2 kilometer 280 meter. 7 kilometer 194 kilometer. Sorry. Now we do addition. 0 plus 4 is 4 and 8 plus 9 is 17. So we will write here 7 and carry over 1 to the next column. 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 1 4. Now 7 plus 2 9. We get answer 9 kilometer 474 meter. Our answer is 9 kilometer 474 meter. Okay student, note down student. 940 meters. Next, 2 kilometer 490 meters. Now we will do subtractions. 0 plus 0 is 0. Then 4 is less than 9. So we cannot subtract from 9. So 9 from 4. So we will borrow 1. We will borrow 1 from next digit which is 9. जो क्या है 9 है. 9 will become 8 and 4 will become 14. Yes. Then we will subtract 14 minus 9. So 14 minus 9, 5. So we will write here 5. We will write here 5. Then 8 minus 4. 8 minus 4 is 4. So we will write here 4. Okay. Then 4 minus 2, 2. So we get answer 2 kilometer 450 meter. 2 kilometer 450 meter. Okay student. Next O. Kilometer meter. 5 kilometer 179 meter. 3 kilometer 250 meter. Now we will do subtractions. Okay students, look at here student. 9 minus 0. So 9 we will write here 9. Then 7 minus 5. 7 minus 5, 2. So we will write here 2. Then 1 here is 2. So 1 is less than 2. So we will borrow 1. We will borrow 1 from the next digit जो है 5. Okay, so 5 will become 4 and 1 will become 11. 11 minus 2. So we get answer 9. हमको क्या मिलेगा? Answer 9. Okay, then 4 minus 3, 1. Answer 1. 1 kilometer 929 meter. Our answer is 1 kilometer 929 meter. Okay student? Student, remaining question number 6. G, H, F, P, Q, R, S, T. In your homework. Okay? Now we will do multiplication. Now we will do multiplication. So let's move exercise 6.2. Now done. Exercise 6.2. Multiply. Question number 1. Multiply the following. A meter centimeter, 6 meter 90 centimeter into 5. Now we will do multiplication 5. 5 multiply 0. So 5 multiply 0. 5 0 ja 0. So we get 5 get 0 ja 0. We get answer 0. 5 9 ja 45. So we will write here 5 and carry over 4 to the next column, which is meter. जो क्या है? मीटर है. Then 5 6 जा 30. 30 plus carry 4. So 30 plus 4 34. So we get answer 34 meter 50 centimeter. 34 meter and 50 centimeter. Okay, student. Next, now we will do another terms. Meter and centimeter. Meter, centimeter. 5 meter 40 centimeter into 4. Now we will do multiplications. 4 0 ja 0. Okay. 4 4 ja 16. So 16 plus 6 and we will carry over 1 to the next column. 4 5 ja 20. 20 plus 1 21. So we will write here 21. We get answer 21 meter 60 centimeter. Our answer is 21 meter 60 centimeter. Okay, student. Now we will do another sum. C. Meter centimeter. Okay. 3 meter 29 centimeter into 6. Now we will do multiplication. 6 9 ja 6 9 ja 54. So we will write here 4 and carry over 5 to the next column. 6 2 ja 12. 12 plus 5. 12 plus 5 17. So we will write here 7 and carry over 1 to the next column. 6 3 ja 18 or 18 plus 1 19. So we get answer 19 meter 74 centimeter. Our answer is 19 meter 74 centimeter. Okay, student? Note down. Have you written, student? Now we will do next sums. E. Meter centimeter. 4 meter 90 centimeter into 7. Okay, now we do multiplication. 7 0 ja 0. So we will write here 0. And 7 9 ja 63. So we will write here 3 and carry over 6 to the next column meter. Next 7 4 ja 28. 28 plus 6. 28 plus 6 34. So we will write here 34. We get answer 34 meter 30 centimeter. Answer our 34 meter 30 centimeter. Okay, student? F. Meter centimeter. 3 meter 75 centimeter into 8. Now we will do multiplication. 8 5 ja 40. So we will write here 0 and carry forward 4 to the next column. Okay. Next 8 7 ja 56. 56 plus 4, 60. 50 plus 6, 56 plus 4, 60. So we will write here 0 and carry over 6. Okay, next column. 8 3 is 24. 24 plus 6, 30. So we will write here 30. So we get answer 330 meter or 00 centimeter. Okay, student. So our answer is 30 meter 00 centimeter. Okay, student. Note down, student. Homework note down, student. Today's homework is homework exercise 6.1 question number 6. क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. ऑल क्वेश्चन आपको करने हैं A to T. Okay, A to T and exercise 6.2. Question number 1 multiply. Okay, question number 1 A to H. Solve the sum in your textbook. Textbook. Okay, students. Exercise 6.1. Question number 6. A to T. Addition and subtraction. Solve the sums in your textbook. Okay, and exercise 6.2. Question number 1. A to H multiply. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.